Hello my dear friends, so I am back and this continued tutorial from the yesterday which we are starting the building. So today we will continue to create this building. I not promise we not will finish this building today, even not will finish in the next stream, but we will develop our project just slowly, stage by stage, without any, how to say, without any big problems, and we not will stop on the stacks on the something. So can you hear me or no? Just let me know please, because I don't know. Okay, so many people here, oh my god. So I will start slowly. Where's my Revit? So let's the Revit open up. Today I think the stream will be like maybe 1 hour or 1.5 hours. We will see, because we are not working on the time, we are working on the result. Yes, the previous tutorial we finished our walls on the first floor, only exterior walls actually, and we finished prepare our project with the some levels, grid lines, with the some elevations. So we finished that thing. So in this tutorial we will continue to create our first level, and maybe we will switch it on the second level too. Let's see, we will see it. So now my Revit is working. Okay, so let's make on the my Revit on the whole this working space, because actually my my screen is bigger than you can see. You can see only half of my screen. Some part of the screen you cannot see. Let's load the some our reference images. So here is my reference images. Really I recommend you to use the reference pure ref. As you can see, like one click and you get all your drawings or your some reference pictures in one site, so you don't need to go to somewhere. You will get it everywhere here. Okay, thank you guys, you can hear me, so I can continue. Okay, we finished on this first floor. I did external walls, I did external things with this brick wall. We continue with this concrete wall. We should create our concrete wall, and after that we will continue on the second floor. So the first main thing, we should create the core of our building. So we should create the walls, and after that we will continue to some details like windows, doors, and some additional things, like as you can see here, the sink, here is the bathroom, and many other things, even the kitchen. Maybe we will create the people also, we will see. So let's go to our project. Where's my project? I think still on the desktop. White House, yeah, this is still on the White House. And as you can see, the last time I said, if you are doing the project alone, it's better if you will make a lot of the copies. And as you can see, here is a lot of different copies. I cannot see, here is the date. Let's see the date, and as you can see, actually the date the same, right? And the time also the same, but believe me, these have different changes. And this is main thing, because if you wanna go back, for example, like 3 or 4 hours, you can open one of these saves, and you will find some minor changes what you did before. Okay, let's open up our project. I will open up my project, and we will continue to work. If you have some questions, if you want to say something, or if you want, I don't know, ask, maybe you wanna just, I don't know, write some hate message, don't be shy. You can write it right now, and maybe I will answer. Not maybe, I will answer, of course. And don't forget one thing, guys, because I know around 20 people watching me right now. Don't forget to like this video. If it's not so hard for you, you can do it. So, but what I'm doing right now, I will go to the first level. Oh, not, I will go to the ground floor, And here I will continue to create my concrete wall. As you can see, here is two different walls. I will hide this wall right now, and as you can see, here is two different walls. This wall, this is structure wall, what we talking about yesterday, and this wall, this is concrete wall. Actually, the second one, it's more like exterior finishing. It's not like constructive things. You can see straight away on this drawing. Okay, so let's unswitch my temporary height and we will create this wall. The first thing, this wall, if I think it's around 200 millimeters actually, and we will create the new type of the wall. No hate message for you, buddy. No, believe me, I get really a lot of the hate messages directly in my Instagram, in my YouTube channel, in my email. I don't know, these people, I not understand why they hate me, because I don't ask from them money, I don't ask anything, I just sharing what I'm doing. But I really like each day I get like maybe around 10 messages with some hate messages, you know. Thank you, Ravi. I'm trying to share my knowledge with you guys. Okay, so I wanna create the wall. Okay, so let's go to the wall, and here we will find the wall. I wanna use this structure, external concrete wall. Let's use that. Edit type, and let's duplicate this name. Now what we will change? This is structure, yes, this is external, yes, and this is concrete, yes, but one thing we should include. We should include this is finished. So FN, I'll write this, so this mean like finish, so this not mean like it's, oh, we can do more better. We can just not use the structure, we can use just FN structure, external. It's not will mistaken us. Okay, so we will leave like this. FN, and everything we will leave as it is, or maybe we will change the concrete, because our concrete now it's the structure. I will change it because later on we will render it in Lumen, and all materials I wanna be independent. For example, the structure is one material, for external the other one material, and of course I will duplicate this material. Let's duplicate it and let's do the same name. I will change the structure to the finished material. Everything I will leave the same. Maybe I will change only the concrete pattern, because as you can see on this render, I mean on this plan, what we get from the ArchDaily, there not any pattern for this concrete. Even here, as you can see, so I don't know why. Maybe this is style like this, so we will follow up this style. Later on, maybe we will change. It's easy to change later on. So I will leave like a solid, and the color will be the white. So as you can see, we get it. Okay, okay, and okay. So here is our concrete. Some questions. Oh yes. Sorry, Ismail. Wait. Yes, you should create two different levels for each building, and better if you will, for example, create one building in one file and another building in another file. So you will get two files with two buildings with different levels, but once you will connect it in coordination file, you will get everything right, but you will get like more levels than you have, of course, but anyway, you will get a structurally right file. So separate it and use different levels. It's not will mistaken you, it's not will mistaken your colleagues. So we are continue to create our wall. Here's 200 millimeters, as you can see, and here the one thing. Just have a look. If you think we should continue, we should create wall from this way, it's not right, because here we have, as you can see, here we have the window, and window should place somewhere. So we should continue from this side. So as you can see, we will place here the window and everything will be alright. But before I will do that, I wanna change my finish face exterior. Right click and let's continue. But if you watch my previous tutorial yesterday, this is not best way to start it from this intersection. If you not watch it, I will show you right now. We will continue it because we should select it, right click here and you should disable connection with this join. So let's select it, join, right click, and as you can see, it's really hard to find it. No, I don't like this way. I will do like this, disable join, disallow join, sorry, and let's connect it. And as you can see, now everything alright. So, and now you just continue till the end. And now you will find one mistake in what we did yesterday. So let's use the align. Paste my align. I say it align. It's here. And let's align our wall. So as you can see, here is the first mistakes. Okay, now everything on one line. If you think we did wrong, no. After that, we will place here the window and we will get here the opening. So no worries about that. Okay, so let's continue with the other side. By the way, if you have like drawings from the AutoCAD, this is much better because you can, for example, use the color for your underlay, and you not will get the problem like where's your drawing, where's the AutoCAD drawing. So if you have AutoCAD drawing, use it's like underlay, it will be much better. Here is my wall. Let's continue. Yeah, I know I'm talking too much. If I'm talking too much and you want to see the process, just let me know, because I can talk about the work really long time. And here we have like this situation. Let's see the picture, because I'm not sure is it right or no. So let's see the picture, first level, and no, I'm right. As you can see, our concrete finishing is finished. Finish around where our window is starting, so we should continue it still here, and as you can see, it's here. And let's continue it, because this window no need place it on somewhere. This window actually, as you can see, this is curtain wall, and curtain wall can be independent, so you just will place your curtain wall here without any problem. And as you can see, it's straight away going by this corner, so without any problem. Let's see it's another picture. Here we have the brick wall, everything alright. So it means here we're finishing our concrete. Done. We finished around it, so nice. And one thing, it's a bit hard to understand where is my walls. One thing I will change the graphics to the hidden line. Not to hidden line, to the shaded. And now I can see directly where is my walls. So except this one, this bad one. So let's put some shadows and maybe cast the shadows. Not too much. I don't want much shadows, just a bit. Yeah, and now I understand. Here's the wall. Okay, nice. And it looks more better than previous one, and you can see where I'm drawing right now. Now it's time for internal one. So here's internal one. As you know, internal one, here is I think 150 millimeters, or maybe it's 100. Let's see. Yeah, it's around 125 millimeters. So this is standard wall, double plaster wall inside, using the inside. So let's create this wall. We need the wall. After that, what we're gonna do, we will use, for example, maybe let's use even this basic wall. We will change it right now, duplicate it, and this now we should change the name. This is finished, so we will leave as it is. External, no, this is internal, so we will change it in. Concrete, no, this is plaster. Salamat malam. I know salamat, it's Malaysian or Indonesian. Oh no, it's Malaysian and Indonesian. It's like Bahasa Malay and Bahasa Indonesian. But maybe malam, I don't know what is that. So, and here is 125. So this is standard for my country. Standard, maybe for your country it's a bit different. I mean, double plaster wall, it may be different. Okay, so as you can see, we get finish internal plaster 125, and now we should change our material. Let's change our material. I think we have already here the plaster, we have the gypsum, we will use this wall, this one, and I will change the name of that. Plaster bullet I will leave, and I will change only what is that. This is internal. Oh, I say it here. Internal plasterboard. Okay, here is generic one. Do you have here the plaster? Don't have. No, don't have. And I will leave as it is. Okay, let's leave sand like the cutter pattern. This is not bad. We will leave as it is, and we will change the thickness to the 125 millimeter. Let's say okay. Let's say okay, and let's start to draw. As you can see, we don't have here any guidance where should our wall start, so we will do approximately. Yeah, you should make it approximately because we don't have any guidance. So I will place this wall here, this wall here. Yeah, you can say why you're placing there, but I will tell you later on why, because next time I will align it. So as I can see, here is the wall. It's approximately the starting like this wall external. So that's why I will align it, and then now it's starting on the one line. And now I will use this one like a references, and this one like a host or like a follower. And this one, let's see, so just approximately. Let's put it somewhere here. Here we have dimension. I wanna put my dimension from, oh, not from this side. Where is my dimension? I want some dimensions. Okay, this one. No, I don't like this number. Let's make 700 millimeter. I know it's a bit bigger, but 700 millimeter better than 650 millimeter. Maybe 650 millimeter. Okay. Okay, guys, I will leave 650 millimeter. So don't ask me any questions. So let's put it here, and I will move it around to this way. So we have here the opening. Actually 780, this is a bit small. Let's make 800 millimeters, this is pretty enough. And this opening, like 500 millimeters, it's really thick. I don't know, maybe for Japan standard it's okay, but actually try to get in if you have like 500 millimeter opening, you not will. So let's change for 650 millimeter at least. So I know this is not following, but 500 millimeters is so small. Maybe we will change also dimension from this side. Let's make it 950 millimeters. No, yeah, 900 millimeter. Yeah, I know I'm spending now time for this one, but I don't wanna back for that. Okay, and 600 millimeters. So now it's okay, everything. So as you can see, here is my entrance, and here we should put the door, but now I just leaving the opening. We will put the door next time, so, and I don't wanna spend time now for that one. And now what I wanna do, I wanna place some guidance lines for my windows. Windows we will put the next time also, but we will make some guidance lines for that. I will go now for the annotation, and here I will find the detail line. Here is my detail line, and we will use this detail line to like a guidance. I will place one line. No, and we not will use detail lines, so better to use not detail lines. We will use the reference lines, because reference lines not will printed. So maybe you will forget next time to delete these lines, and you will try to print, you will get a lot of different lines. Better to use the reference lines, yeah. So we will put one reference line, and this will be like for the window, just the guidance, and I will put another reference line on the other side here. Now we can understand, here is starting our window. Now we will do the same thing here. Later on you will see why we are using the reference line, why we're not placing straight away the windows. Okay, and here one more. Where is our reference line? It will be easily for us after that just control everything. I mean, control, for example, where should start our door, where should start, for example, our window with the reference lines. And reference lines not makes troubles to someone when they starting to draw. So okay, and now we can, for example, just calculate how many distance we have. Now we can do everything what we want, but we're not working now with geometry, we're just working with the lines. Okay, first, for example, here I have the opening, right? As you can see, here is the starting my my door, and I can see, I can check distance. Okay, now it's distance okay for this wall, this door. Actually, for the external door, it's a bit small. It should be start from the 1000, but it's only 900. But again, this is Japan one. Okay, so here everything okay, and here should be everything okay. Let's check it out. Dimension, oh, exactly 1000, as you can see. So that's why it's better for us to use this way. And some window we have on this side. As you can see, I cannot see now properly where is my windows, because now with our underlay it's covering by our walls. Don't use some specific things, or don't use filters. You just can change your graphic to the wireframe mode and you will directly see where is your window. For example, my window is here, and let's draw our reference line. So reference line one here, and let's copy this reference line to this side. And as you can see, this is 600 millimeters, so this is okay. Next time when we will place our window, we will follow our reference lines. And here is the door. Let's put this reference line also for the door. And here is really tricky way. As you can see, here is the frame, and frame is going somewhere inside. So I don't like this this thing. It looks weird actually. As you can see, here is the frame, after that some gap, and after gap structure wall. No, we not will do like that. We will use this line like a reference. Okay, and let's copy it to the other side. And as you can see, here is distance, bad one distance. Let's make it 900 millimeters at least. And maybe I will do, yeah, this one, 900 millimeters at least. Do you have some more openings? I don't think so. Let's change our graphic back to the shaded one. And first the problem I get here, so I should align to the reference line my external wall. Let's align it, and as you can see, we aligned. Okay, so and now we should place here some door. Okay, we finish with external things. We finish, you can see on the 3D, we finish with some external things. Now we will place our floor. After floor, we will place some stairs. And if we will have the time today, we will place our windows today. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go to the floor one, or I mean the ground floor. And now we will continue with the floors. Let's go to the floor. Okay, about the floor, you have a lot of ways how you can place your floor, but just remember one thing: you should divide it by two things. Your floor, first floor, this should be structure floor. It's one whole big floor for your level. It's like a structure. And the second one, it's thick one, but it's only for your finishing. Okay, so and finishing you can divide it by rooms. So now we will create the structure floor for whole our actually for whole our building, because our building is really small. But if you have like 5,000, 10,000 and maybe 100,000 building square meter, you should divide it your structure too. But here we have one union structure, and after that we will create the finishing. So here we have the some structures. We will use one of them and we will change it to create our own one. Yes, I prefer to create my own one, like we are doing with the walls. Let's use this one. Yeah, he has a lot of different things, but we will change it. I will change it, duplicate, and I will delete everything. So, and what we will write? We will write this is ST, so this is structure floor. After that, this is internal. Yes, because we can divide it external and internal. This is also important. This is internal floor, and after that we should write the thickness. I don't think so we have the thickness of the structure. Maybe we will check it later on. Now I will leave 300 millimeter. We will see. And let's write before the structure, we will write this is concrete, or maybe concrete. Yeah, concrete 300 millimeter. Okay, so here let's go to the edit, and I will delete everything. Yes, I'm so bad guy. I don't like when we're using the finishing in one floor, because this making the trouble when you're exporting it to Navisworks, and when we're trying to calculate the cost, it's making the troubles. Here is the concrete. Let's duplicate it, because this is also will be changed. We will change the name. We will leave the concrete, and again ST internal floor. Yeah, floor concrete. And everything we will leave as it is. Maybe I don't want this image, or maybe we'll leave. It's okay, we not will render in Revit, so it's not problem for us. I just changed only the pattern, because pattern I wanna make like a concrete. Where is the concrete? Here is the somewhere. I don't have here the concrete. Awesome. I will leave. Oh, I have here the concrete. I will leave the concrete. Okay, let's leave it. Maybe we will make some pattern, not black one. I will use this pattern, maybe lighter, like this. Let's say okay, let's say okay, let's say okay. And now let's place our concrete. So as I said, I have the one union big building, so I don't need to do any some special things, and I'll do just around my structure wall, like this. Here is my structure wall, and I just following my structure wall. Okay, we did it. I think yes. Let's say okay. Here is my wall, or my floor, I mean. Let's go to the some section view. I have here the elevation actually. And first what I wanna do, I wanna check the thickness of this wall. As you can, floor, sorry. I'm always saying floor, but it's not floor, it's wall. Oh my god, it's not wall, it's floor. Sorry. And let's check it out. I think it's 500 millimeter. Yeah, it's around 500 millimeters. So we should create the one of the type like 500 millimeter. Let's duplicate it, and let's say this is 500 millimeter only. 500 millimeter, and I will change the thickness 500 millimeter. Let's say okay. Let's go back to the 300, because there I also did mistake. Here it's not 125, here 300 millimeter. Okay, let's say okay. Now it's 500 millimeter, as you can see. And now we need to place it a bit deeper than we have, for example, our level. As you can see, it's going on the 500 millimeters. Maybe, yeah, it's going like 550, let's do. So we should change the height from the level minus 550. Minus 550, no, even minus 600. Yeah, minus 600 millimeter. And actually the thickness of this pad is more bigger than I said. So yeah, it's 500 millimeter. But this one, it's not this is 300, sorry. Let's change to the 500, yeah. So now we get the pad on the right side. Actually, now I cannot see properly anything. I will use the wireframe mode, and as you can see, here is the wall. Yeah, he has some problem with the graphics, as you can see. Let's create the section, because without the section we cannot working properly. We need to create the section somewhere here. First, somewhere here we will create the section. Let's create the section. Where is my section? Section views. Section, and will be our first section. I will change direction, and we will change, for example, like this. Okay, and let's go inside to this section. Right click and go to the view. And here is my section. Let's place it a bit like this. Why it's black color? Fine. Okay. And now, as you can see, we should go our wall more deeper than we have. Actually, we should place only the structure wall here, because external walls not will go deeper than structure walls. So we should place our structure walls also deeper. Let's select all our structure walls. As you can see, here is all our structure walls. We just can use the tab key, and I will select all the structure walls. And now we should say these all structure walls will go to the will start from the minus 600 millimeter. Done. Actually, this is starting from 600mm, but it's wrong, because actually we have the pad. So we have two ways how to solve this problem. This is already construction things, that's why I'm saying if some construction people watching me, please let me know, and maybe you will help to me, because actually this is structure things doing the structure architects, not architects. So we just following what they did. So what you can do, we can just explode our pad and cover this gap, or we can place our walls a bit deeper. I prefer just change this pad. Just let's use the line key and let's align it. So now it's more about how to make right in real life. So we are not talking now much about a bit Revit, we are just talking how it will be in real life. Yes, Revit about this one. Revit not about the picture, Revit not about the renders. But yeah, we can get the nice render, we can get nice pictures from this one, and we get result like this. If you will go to the section, you will see our pad, it's now we are using our concrete floor like a pad. Let's go to the, for example, to the some level, to the external wall, and as you can see now it looks like kind of, but not. And here we will create now another one floor, which will going till here. Okay, so let's do it. We will go to the floor. Where's my floor? Ground floor. I will close this floor, and here we will create another floor. I will select this one, I will copy it, and let's create on the other side. So where's my lines? Here we have the wall. I will do actually this one big one. As you can see, we should cover, we will create few one. We will create one here, one we will create here, and another we will create on this side. Yeah, we have like three, maybe one more we will create 1, 2. Yeah, will be 1. Sorry, I'm also thinking about how to making it more right. That's why I'm spending the time for this thing too, because I don't wanna do shit. Sorry about that. Okay, so and this one external one, yes, and here will be external one. Okay, let's connect it. 1, 2, 3. I say it here and here. Yeah, here because it's internal one. Yeah, and let's say okay. Let's go to 3D view, and here is on the 3D view. Yes, we get what I want. 300mm. Let's go to the elevation. Let's go to the elevation. And here, yeah, and even thickness it's right, as you can see, even thickness the right. Okay, so we are close to the result. Here we should only the making some additional pad, but that one we will do the next time, not for now, because this is already detail. We're not talking today about detail. Okay, so we finished with that one. Let's go back to our floor. Awesome. So what we're gonna do next? Next we should create one more pad. So let me think. Here will be one more bigger pad like this going around. Let's create it. Let me think. Here it will be. Yeah, here will be another one finishing. No, here it's not will be finishing. So here is my first mistake. Here I will should change the material. It's not the internal one. This is already external one, guys. Why you don't saying me about that? This is external one. This is concrete. Yeah, this is concrete. This is 500, but this is external already. Let's say okay, and the material it's also will be different. Let's go to the material, different material, and this material will be external. External concrete. Yes, we will leave external concrete. And now I will create material for that one. I just arriving to keep it up, bro. Good. Yeah, that's why I'm sitting at home, I'm working at home, and till the apocalypse is going on, I want to teach you something. Maybe we will die, maybe we will not. Actually, it's not funny, but anyway, guys, just try to spend your time for what we have right now to get some knowledge to be number one after these things what's going on in the world. Okay, here we have the structure. I will change the first structure to the finish one, and this one will be like let's say this will be like a road, because here it will be road. Where is the road? I don't have here the road. I don't think so. Maybe I have. Yeah, we have here's the road. Let's change it. We want to duplicate it, and I will call it again. I will call it exterior. Give me time. Exterior. No, this one. Structure. Exterior. Asphalt. Okay. Graphics. White color. And everything alright. So, and the thickness it will be like a 50 millimeters only. So 550. Let's change the name, because now it's just 550. 550, and now we get one interesting thing. Here's I wrote only the concrete, but it's not only the concrete, because we have here the asphalt too, right? So we should write both material, and how we can do that. First material is asphalt. Let's write the asphalt first. After that concrete, and now asphalt we should write 550 millimeter, and after that 500 millimeter. By this way you will understand asphalt you have like 50 millimeter, concrete you have like 500 millimeter, and you don't need go again inside to the your wall, floor, whatever, and you will understand by the name what is that. Let's say okay. So we're done with that. Let's select it, and as you can see we get here the some thickness of the material. Let's go back to the section view, and we can see now we get this thick asphalt here. Okay, awesome. Let's go back to the floor, and now I will create one more. I think I will continue this. No, here's another floor, as you can see. And here I will use another floor, and here too I will use another floor, and even here I should divide it. We will do it later on, so let's make it one union. After that I will divide it. I don't want to spend time for the concrete right now, so we have the we should spend time for the other things. Okay, I will do it right now like this. Later on we will change, I promise you. We will change, because next time as I said, we will finish this project. We will finish this project until the making some drawings in Dynamo, in Revit, and after that we will make some renders in Lumen too. So that's why I want to divide materials. So it's like this, and here it's like just a bit extend. We did it. We're happy? I think we're happy. Here's some angle. I think we're done with that. Let's say okay. Somewhere we don't here, as you can see the connection. As you can see, you will find it by two orange color. Let's continue. Guys, everything alright with the live streaming or no? Because I get some message from YouTube like the stream have some problem. Please let me know below the comments, okay? Okay, and we get the result like this. Let's go to 3D, and we get the result. Later on we will change the materials. Okay, awesome. Now we will go to the second floor, and finally we will do the second floor. Or maybe, yeah, we will go to the second floor. This is better one. Sorry, too much talking, and I wanna drink something. Let's go to the first level. We have already here the drawing, and we continue now to create. Oh, we don't have here the drawing. This much thing. We should place our drawing. Where is my drawings here? Level 2. Copy it, and we should paste it. It's not pasted. Oh my god. how I can place this drawing from this one. Okay, let's do something with this drawing, because I wanna copy this drawing actually. Save, load, save, export, export this image. Okay, and I wanna export this image to here. Okay, and now let's export it, because I wanna export my image there, and here is my image, as you can see. So let's go back to the Revit, and now we will place this image here. Okay, awesome. Now we need scale it. Let's find the annotation line. Here is our annotation line. It should be 3 meters. As you can see, our drawing, it's not 3 meters. And let's scale it down. Okay, awesome. I'm not trying to be best with the scaling, because actually we anyway will follow up our window and walls. So it's somewhere here, and it's somewhere here. Okay, and as you can see, it's placed a bit perfectly. Okay, so I don't wanna see my level, which on the base level, I don't wanna see it, and I can see now only this level. And now we will just follow up the what we did the last time. So we're going to the wall, we finding our wall, we need structure external concrete wall. We will change the connection to the core center line, and we will connect our wall to the center. Here we will do the same thing what we did yesterday. So just continue working with that. Here the different one concrete wall, as you can see, we will change it, because now I have 200 millimeter, but here it's not 200 millimeter, it looks like it's 150, maybe it's less. Here we should change, we should a bit change the way we're placing our wall. So as you can see, I just placing my wall a bit approximately. Later on I will change position. Right now it doesn't matter. So let's start from this side. First I wanna see what's going on underlay. Let's see what's going on the floor on the level 0. Okay, so here is the level 0, and where is my wall? Oh, my wall is here, even here. Oh, it's really... So let's change the position, or maybe we will leave the position on the center line of that. This is better. Let's say this is some mistaken in this drawing. Here is everything alright. Let's connect. As you can see, we get first connecting of our walls. Let's connect of this wall. Okay, awesome. And we get already connection. Here, what's going on? We don't have some reference walls. Okay, we have some reference wall, but I don't think so it's working for us right now. Yeah, maybe working. Let's use the align and align to this one. It's much better. And let's connect this wall with this wall. Much better. Okay. So now we will connect this wall with this one. Here is the decking. Oh, here is the decking. Yeah, I know this place. So this place, I will show you right now. It's that one. This one place. Here is some deck, and that's why here it doesn't have any walls, as you can see. Okay, so here is the small thick wall, as you can see, and we should create it already. But before we will do that, let's align this wall with that one. We're connecting it. Here we should connect to. Okay, like this. And now this we will align it. Hello, Architects Tools. Nice name. Let's go back to the reference and see the second level. Second floor here. As you can see here, we have also the curtain wall. We not will continue our wall. We will just place it around this place. Somewhere here. Okay, we're just placing there. Here we will do the same thing. Okay, and here we can connect it. For that one we need here some additional wall. Let's use the trim, and again we will connect that one. We need here the wall. What is that? Actually, I don't understand what is that. Let's check it out by pictures. Here's some opening, as you can see. Here's without floor. I think, yeah, without the floor. Here's some opening. So here is some opening. So it should continue like this, and we will create here the opening. And here is also some like opening. And here is the big beam. Yeah, it's big beam. Here is the beam actually. Yeah, on this side it's beam going. We will place it. Okay, so let me think. Here is the window, here is the beam. Really hard. Here is the opening, as you can see. We have two ways how we can solve this problem. We can create curtain wall here, and I think I will do curtain wall. Done. We can create the curtain wall with some, let's say, with some additional panels, because here are some panels, as you can see, like this, and we will create it. Okay, so we're done with that, and now here we should create here is, I think, the window. Let's check it out. I don't have some another pictures, guys, sorry, and that's why we are looking like that. Yeah, here the opening window, here is opening, as you can see, here is the opening, and here one beam going on this side like this. Okay, and done. Don't have any picture like that. Oh, and here opening, as you can see. Awesome. What the name of your images viewer? PureRef. I'm using the PureRef, so because you are talking about the architect tools, this is a really nice thing. So you can make like video about that. Let's create another wall. Let's go to the edit type, but before I will do that, I wanna make the size of that. This is looks like actually it looks like 200, but I don't know why it looks a bit thicker than mine. Actually, here is 200, and I think this one 200. Let's make a bit less. We will do it's not 200. We will do it's like 150. Duplicate, and I will change to the 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter. Let's say okay, and we will place it here. Yeah, and it looks like 250 millimeter. Yeah. Let's connect it. We get external wall. Let's place it here. And as you can see, here is opening too. Here is opening. But again, I cannot see, is it opening here or no? Maybe here there's some opening window on this side. I don't think so, but maybe. So it's hard to understand when you don't have another picture from another side. So let's make like this, and we will make even better. And here I will make the big one, I think 200 millimeter, and let's connect it to our wall like this. Here is the beam actually, and this one, yeah. Oh my god, this is really hard. If you think this is really easy, it's not easy at all, guys. As you can see, we're spending the time just to understand what's going on with this building. But anyway, we will do it. Where's my floor? Okay, we did it with this thing. Yeah, I've been like I worked before like an architect. Now I am BIM manager, so now I'm not architect, but you can say kind of architect. Beam. Let's go to the beam, and we have only structure beam. we should create the beam actually. We have like a lot of ways again how we can solve this problem. We can create the beam. We can use, for example, for this wall, structure wall, I mean. But I think better to create the beam. Let's create the beam. We need to go to the file. We need to go to the new one, family, and let's create the beam. Here we need the metric structure. And where is the beam? Metric site found. Show me where is that metric generic. Balustrade, where is the beam? I don't give up architecture work, I just change it because architecture doesn't have enough money to alive in this life. I just changing to the BI manager because BI manager is much better about the money, it's much better about your position, it's much better about everything. So you can work, for example, with some programs, you can work with the people, so it's much better for me. But if you wanna be like, I don't know, some famous architects, you should spend like 20 years for that. Maybe you should spend like 50 years for that, and no one will say like your architect was good. So you should spend a lot of the time for that. This is true. If you are ready, yeah, it's great to be architects. If you're not, like I'm not ready for that. So let's change the profile. I will sketch it. Let's go to the front view and let's sketch our profile. Select the sketch, edit sketch, elevation view, and let's draw our sketching. Let's align. Sorry, when at the roof or ceiling, maybe we'll start the roof in the next stream, I don't know yet. We will see later on about that, because now I wanna make everything slowly, you will understand everything, you can follow me up, so I'm not rushing anywhere. So maybe next tutorial, we'll see. So remove the constraint. Okay, let's change the thickness of that. Let's go to 3D. I don't wanna use that one. We have the beam, as you can see. Let's go to the thickness, and here's our thickness, and I will change the thickness. Where's the one? Here, 250 millimeters. Yeah, working finally. So we did the beam. Yes, of course I have the accent. Everyone who not born in England, everyone have the accent. So where born? I born in Moscow. Where I'm studying in Singapore. I'm studying in Malaysia. That's why I have like scene English. My English it's most like scene English. If you are from Asia, you know what this means. So you are using like mixing between Malaysian, between Chinese, I mean the Cantonese and Mandarin, and English. It's really bad thing, but what you can do if your teacher was like some teachers was like Chinese, some teachers was like Arabian one, some like from the US, some from the London, and it was really terrible. Anyway, I get knowledge from there. You mean I'm working in construction company now as a BIM manager? Yes, I'm working in not construction. I'm working in an architect company like a BIM manager. So but anyway, the BIM manager in construction company and architecture one, it doesn't matter which one. No, I mean like it doesn't matter what you will do, because in architecture and construction company you will do the same thing. But for example, for construction one, you will create the construction things like the beam, columns, and you will think about the structure and structure analysis. In architecture one, you will think mostly about design. So that's why. How old am I? Oh my god, so this is really important. How old I am? I'm already old one, so I am 28 already, so I'm already done. So my life is done. Let's overload my column here, and let's place my column. Where's the structure? Where's my beam? Let's place it. Where's my beam? Oh, my beam is not working because so I did one mistake. So let's check it out. This is structure framing, segmentation, solid one. No, this is solid already. So what's going on with that? Let's check it out. Shaded one. So I think it's working, but we get some problem with that. So many questions, guys. Sorry. Maybe later on I will try to continue my tutorials on my own language, so I will try it, but not for now, because I think Russians really have a lot of the nice works, like nice videos. I mean, like from the Merkulov, from 𝒕𝒐𝒓𝒈𝒆𝒕, from 𝒕𝒐𝒓𝒈𝒆𝒕. So you have a lot of the ways how you can learn Revit without going to the English side, so you can speak. Yeah, I can speak only a bit about the Bahasa Indonesian. I can speak also a bit about on Bahasa Malaysian, and a bit on the Cantonese, and a bit on the Mandarin, and a bit on the Arabian. So this is terrible things when you're living on the seaboard and all your friends around the world. So some your friends from the Saudi, some your friends from the Indonesia, some your friends from the Japan. So this is really terrible thing, because you're always talking on the different accents. Okay, so sorry, we are talking now about me. I should go back. So where's my beam? I will try to place my beam. I have this the concrete problem. Universal beam, the start and thickness, edit, and let's change the it's only 25 centimeters. Hello, I have questions. Can you show me how to create square profile but plaster? Later on I will show you. Okay. Here the some question. Subscribe me, please. Sorry, guy. Subscribe me. We will block you. Bye bye. If you're not talking about to subscribe someone, I did some problem. I have some problem with this. Maybe this one. Okay, with beam we will talk about this later. I have some problem now with this beam. I will do it later on. So let's go back to the floor one. Now I will do it by not by beam. I will do it by floor. Actually, not floor. It's bad way. I will make the component, okay, but I will create model in place, and this one it will be beam. Let's find the structure one, and where's the beam here? Generic model, columns, structure, columns, connection, foundation, floors, mass, generic model. I don't have the beam. Actually, we can use it like a floor. Let's find the floor. Where is the floor? We will use the like a floor, because there yes, we can place it like a floor, and we will say this is beam. I'm not recommend you to do the thing like I'm doing right now. Really, I don't recommend you, but I don't have any choice. If you have like big project, don't do it at all. Okay, so this way it's really bad way for you guys if you're doing the big project. Okay, don't do it. But I have some problem with the external window, as you can see. If I will go to 3D, as you can see, yeah, and we don't have here the some beam on this side, but on this drawing it looks like we have. It's a bit strange. I think the drawing it's a bit strange. Okay, anyway, I will do it till the till this side, not much. Okay, and also we should create on this side too. Let's create it. Oh, he has so much questions. Dimension and pricing. Dimension and pricing? Maybe later on. So don't be shy if you have really questions. So ask me. Don't be shy about that. So let's split it. I'm splitting it to making two different lines. And now we have here the floor. Actually, here is the floor. No, here's not floor. Yeah, this drawing is really bad. So I just should be guessing where is the floor, where is not the floor. It's really bad drawings. I know this is drawings only for the Archdaily. It's not for some real construction things. But anyway, I don't understand anything by this drawing. Let's split it. Let's use a trim and let's connect it this here. Okay, so we're done with that. I think everywhere is closed. Everything is closed. No, where is not closed? On this way, as you can see. Let's create here the one more line. Let's connect it and let's create it. Let's go to 3D. Now we will work in 3D. As you can see, we get here some construction things. Okay, and this one. Okay, and actually it should be go to our column. It should be go till the end, like this. And now I get the problem with this wall, as you can see. So that's why I say this is a bit strange, because on this picture it doesn't have this problem. But on the floor, how we did, it looks like this. This dash line, it means what's going on the up. Okay. Anyway, I should place my wall a bit extended. Okay, we will finish with that. Let's unswitch my range level and let's see what's going on this level. Here is my structure wall, and after the structure wall we have the concrete wall. Everything alright. Sorry, I did some mistake. So everything alright. So I have here the another type of the wall. So everything alright. And done. Okay, so let's create this core. We will finish this one wall. Let's make it to the shaded one, and we will cover it right now. We will go to the architecture wall, and we need external concrete wall, not structure finishing, this one. So let's do it. Let's do it. And here is our external wall. So done. So it's not a big problem actually. I did it like a problem, because here, as you can see, we have like additional wall. So let's place it somewhere here. Actually, we will do like this. This is better. Like this. Here we have less the thick. I think here is like concrete. Let's check it out. Where is the second floor? Give me a second. I need from this side. Here. Yeah, here is the brick one, as you can see. This one is brick. We will do it later. I will use the line right now. I will use the connection. Here is already starting the brick, and here is also the brick. Here is going the concrete. Where is my concrete? Okay, here is opening. We just continued and till the end. Okay. And here going the brick. Let's see on the 3D. Yes, we did it as we want. I don't like this one. Let's see how it looks like on the pictures. Yeah, everything correct, because here we have opening. Here's everything, but now it looks not bad. How to solve a problem with that one? You should you should join the wall and this structure. Once you will join, you will get this thing. No worries. Just go back to the modify, find the join and change it to the switch join order. 1 and 2nd. Done. You don't have any problem, as you can see. But don't forget to join it. If you not will join it, you will get intersection. You don't wanna get this kind of bad thing. So that's why join it one by one. And as you can see, we don't have any problem. Here I wanna change again the order. Let's change the order. And now we get clear line, as you can see. I hope you can see something. So just let me know if you don't see. I will change the resolution. Okay, done. And now it looks like here it's not bad too. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go to the floor 1. And now I wanna see. I will just hide my the beam, just the beam. As you can see here, we have the windows. Here we have something like a wall, and we should create it actually. Actually, my beam going to the next level. Let's check it on the drawings. Yes, my beam going till this level, till the level 3. And let's go to the 3D. Yeah, I prefer working in 3D. I will select this wall, this beam, this column, and I will say this column will go to the level 2. And as you can see, here is my column. Okay, let's go back to the floor 1. You can see here is my column, and this column have some concrete finishing. So let's create this concrete finishing too. Let's go to the architecture. Here is my basic wall concrete finishing, and let's create this one from this level to another level, like this one and this one. As you can see, it's going a bit with different size, and let's change the size to the external finishing 200, and actually here is a bit smaller, it's not 200. I can change, or I can make my beam a bit bigger. So I have two ways. I can change how many millimeters I should change. 23 millimeters. This is really kidding me. But let's change it. What, we don't have any choice. We will change 25 millimeters, so it will be 175 millimeter. And let's change to 175 millimeter. Okay, okay, we did it. So now it looks like this one. We have some. Here will be wall, and after that he will be opening. Here will be opening, like you can see on the picture. Here is have opening. Don't forget about it. And here have the opening. We will do it later on too. So now I just don't think about it, because now I wanna make the core. Yeah, I know you wanna already finish it, but I wanna make the core. And here we have also the external things. Let's create our wall with the external 200 millimeter. And as you can see, it's exactly 200 millimeter. We're done with that. In the 3D, as you can see, we get it. Yes, we have the line, but later on we will use the modify and we will join it, and we not will get any lines. No worries about that. So let's go to here. We did it. Here we should place some window. As I said, here will be not the window, here will be curtain wall and some opening. Here we just should place Okay, done with that. Now we should create the brick one. Let's place the brick wall. Where's my brick wall? Finishing exterior, finish exterior, finish exterior, brick AR. This is my AR exterior. I think this is 100 millimeter. Let's see. Yeah, this is 100 millimeter. As you can see, let's use the trim. We get as I want. Let's connect the finish exterior to this one. We get the result. Now we need to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and till the end, just continue it. As you can see, now we need align it. It's exactly aligned to this wall. We did it. Now I will do the same thing. Actually, we should place our door inside to this brick one. That's why I'm continuing my brick. Now I will use the tab key, and now everything alright, as you can see. Oh, not tab key, spacebar. Let's see where is the line. Line is here. Let's use the align and align to this line. Let's place it one more here and place it on this till the end. And as you can see, we get here the trouble. You have a lot of ways how you can solve this trouble. One way, you're going to the modify, you are going to the join wall, just select this wall and just change the type of the join. For example, I don't know, like disallow, you can join by this way. For example, like this one, you can find the way how you can change it. But the better way, disallow the join. Let's extend it, right click, and here disallow the join. And just place whenever you want. Unjoin elements, place this element till here, and this one till here, and you don't will see now not any problem, as you can see. Done. Let's go to the 3D, and as you can see, we get the other side of our building. This side, it's here. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? It's here. We did it. Here will be curtain wall. Here will be curtain wall. We did our exterior walls, and now let's go and see some interior walls. And why I like in the Japanese house, they don't have a lot of internal walls, as you can see. Here is some internal walls for the wet kitchen. As you can see, here is the wet kitchen, and we will create it right now. Okay, here is my beam. I will hide it because I don't need it. I just hide it, temporarily hide it, as you can see. And let's use the wall. We need internal walls. We need finishing. No, this one. Actually, this one is structure one. But looks like not structure. Actually, this is structure walls. Structure internal. Where is my structure internal? We don't have it. We should create it. Let's create it from this one. Structure internal. Duplicate, and this one will be not exterior, this one will be interior, and 150 millimeter. I think this is 150 millimeter. No, it's 125. Is it possible? Rename. Let's make it 100. Change, and here will be 102. Yeah, it's 100 millimeter, but looks like really strange. Actually, we have here the door, as you can see, sliding door, so we can continue till the end. After that, I'll just copy it, and let's place it here. Let's place it on this side. Now I will use the align key. I will align by this wall. Now I will connect it to the wall, and now I will use the trim to connect it here. Done. As you can see, we did it. Here we have the plaster wall, as you can see. We already did plaster wall. Let's find the plaster wall. Here is the finishing, plaster, 125 millimeter. So as you can see, once you did your wall or your family, you don't need to spend time for that. You just a few clicks and you're getting what you need. Here is my 125 millimeter. So where is the walls else we have? So here, as you can see, we have the wall. Let's find the wall. This is already concrete, 100 millimeter. Let's place it. I think we placed right. Let's connect it, and we get the wall. Here we have the internal walls. I not will do anything. Here looks like we have the wall, but I don't think so, because here the sliding wall, like to make the entrance from this staircase. Okay, it's really interesting building. Okay, if we finish with the walls, as you can see, we finish all the walls. Let's go to 3D and let's see what we get. As you can see, here is all our walls, the second floor. Don't forget, guys, you will able to download this this model when I will finish it. So done with that. And now we should make some changes between level 1 and level 2. Now we can work in 3D. So better way to follow up the first level. Now let's connect it, because we have some difference between one drawing and another. It can be, because actually this is only just picture. It's not a nice reference for us. So nice. Okay, we did it. I think everything alright right now. Yes, we did it. Let's go to the floor. And now we should actually go to the, oh my god, about the kitchen. Let's go to the here, and let's see the kitchen. Where's my kitchen? No, it's not a wall. It just some furnishing here, as you can see, and really nice way, as you can see from the kitchen view. I mean, yeah, and it looks like, as you can see, here is just opening. Here we have also opening. Here also not any window, as you can see, but here we can see here the window, but here we don't have any window. Strange things. Oh, it's here. Sorry, it's here, and it's looking on the wall, as you can see. Nice one. What you can see on your window? I just can see the wall. Okay, so we are doing everything correct. So, okay guys, are you ready to continue? But if you wanna continue, I need to like rest around 5 or 10 minutes, or we can continue tomorrow at the same time. So tell me about this thing. If you are ready, we will continue. If you wanna rest a bit, we will do it tomorrow at the same time, of course. And don't forget to ring small bell on my channel if you wanna get message from YouTube, like my streaming it's already started. So I waiting some message from you. If you will say let's do it tomorrow, we will do it tomorrow. If you wanna continue today, I will take break like 10 minutes and I will back. I'm waiting the comments. Oh, I need to save it. Yeah, don't forget save your project. So I save it. Just like few minutes I will wait the comments, because I know you're so shy. My viewers, it's really shy. So some cast the shadows. I really like the shadows. Okay, and right click, some settings, and ground knot. With shadows it looks better. So not any comments. I think everyone already tired. Is it? Some settings. Oh my god, you are writing something, but it's not. Sorry guys, you are writing something, but YouTube it's not updating my chat. Sorry, I cannot read anything. So your office construction drawing, maybe awesome tricks I learned to pass building engineering by friends. I will say. Okay, so anyway, I get some comments from you. Sorry guys, I cannot see the comments. I don't know why. Give me like a 5 minutes break, and I will back. Okay, so I will turn off my microphone right now. You have like 5 minutes, and we will continue like half an hour, maybe an hour. Let's see. I will back. So I'm back. Guys, please, only one desire for you. If you want talking, you are talk, because you by this way you helping to my channel, you helping to my videos when you're writing something, because yeah, YouTube, it's like that. If you are not writing something, if you are not watching my videos, YouTube saying like you are not your videos is so garbage. Yes, this is true. The YouTube like this. Okay, so I will continue it, and let's create the floor on this level, and maybe we will finish by this way, by this thing today. But I will do the next video tomorrow. So let's create the floor. Let's check first what we have here. We have here the some entrance. Let's check the some pictures here. Maybe we will got some information. This is level 1, this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 2, this is level 2, this is level 2, 3 and 4. Here the no, we don't have any pictures from this side. This bad, terrible. Actually this one. Yeah, awesome. And what is that? Here's some. Here's entrance. Here's entrance. Interesting. Let me think. It's going like this, by this way. This is second entrance, guys. This is second entrance. If I will go to the my pictures, here is the, as you can see, one more entrance. You can go to the up, as you can see, or no, to the upstairs on this side. It's going to the upstairs on this side. And yeah, and as you can see here, and here's the second entrance. Really nice idea. So if it's the second entrance, we should make here the wall, but we will do it next time, because I don't have any picture from this side. I think there's some opening, because as you can see, here is some opening, or here is the window. I don't think here is the window, because it's so long and it's really cost. And we don't have any connection here, so I think it's opening. And what we're gonna do, this here is the door. I will put here the some I will do the curtain wall with the panel, it's okay. And now we will place our floor. Where is our floor? Floor, it's here, and it's not 500, it's 300 millimeters, I think so. We will check it next time. Let's connect our floors, and our floors will be connected to our concrete, to our structure wall, as you can see here. And as you can see, it's gap here. Here is not any floor. And let's connect it one by one. Because this is structure floor, I don't need divided by material, because structure only one, concrete, that's it. Let's connect it. Here is some garbage, I think. Let's check it. No. And we will continue here on this side. Here an interesting situation, because here actually should be go like this. Yes. Is it opening here or no? No, it's not opening. I think it's the refrigerator. And it's going like this. On this way. Now here will be another one. Here will be another one. Here will be another one. Yes. And let's connect this one to this wall. And as you can see, here is the something like opening, yeah, and here the staircase. So I did mistake. This one will go on this side, and it will be a bit extended. No, it's actually will follow this line. It's better if you will follow this line, and here it will be exactly what we want. Here double story. Actually, it's not double story, it's more than double story. If I will go to the some renders, not mean renders, I mean the pictures, you will see here we are looking from this side. As you can see, opening, 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 and this side all opening. So let's say okay. Let's go to the 3D view, and as you can see, we get result. And now one thing. As you can see, all my walls now connecting to this floor. Actually, all my walls on the previous level should have the offset from the top constraint 300 millimeters. Yes, we should go now to the previous level, select all the internal walls, all these internal walls, and we should say this is minus 300 millimeter, like this. Go back to the 3D, and as you can see now, this walls doesn't do anything, but this walls it's still it should be go by 300 millimeters deeper. But we cannot do that because this is external wall. So what we do? Of course we will use the modify and join. Let's join it. Join the wall. And now as you can see, we don't have any of the problem. But internal walls, we just better to change offset. Don't join it because we can get more than just a few internal walls. We can get like a lot of that. And just connect one by one. Done. Now as you can see, we get better result. But actually I don't like this one. I think this should be go something by the other way. Let's see the picture. I wanna see the picture. How it's going there. Picture is the kitchen. Actually I cannot see it properly. Here the window, and here don't see any beam. As you can see, it's going like this. It's so thick actually. Actually this beam is so thick. It's not so big as I did. It's going like this way, but till this way. I will use a line, it's better. A line, a line. Now it's one side, one side. Let's join it. Oh, what's going so deeper? Oh yeah, of course it's 300 millimeters minus. And so we should make the same thing here, 300 millimeters minus. Minus 300 millimeters. Yes. And we should again join. Yes, it's spending the time for the join. And do same thing here. Minus 300 millimeter. Yes, yes, I know. And for all external walls. So as you can see, it's really taking a lot of the time when you're working with that things. So let's go to the first level. Just extend. Right click, disable join. And connect it here. $300 millimeters, and now you can join everywhere. Join, join, and done. Done, as you can see. And we get the floor on this level too. We can create now another floor for our staircase on this side, but this is already another story. So let's anyway, okay, we will create it right now, and after that I will finish, I think, today this video, because actually guys, I already tired. So let's go to the floor. We will find the floor, we will find 300 millimeter, and let's create this floor here one by one. and I cannot see properly where is the finish this floor. I will do till this side, as you can see. Now I will bit extend it like this. I will use trim, and here actually it's going like this. Let's connect it. Okay, we get another one. Let's say okay, we get somewhere a problem. We have here the problem, as you can see, and let's connect it. Don't attach. Let's go on 3D, and as you can see, we get another type of the floor. Of course, you should join it. Let's modify. Let's join it, and we get here the problem. Let's align first. I wanna align it to here, and I wanna change the type of the join, like this. Done. It's really noisy when you're trying to join everything, really, guys. Next time when you will create the big building, for example, huge building, I mean, it's really noisy working, because you are working level by level. After that you should connect all the walls. Yeah, I know, there's some companies, my company too, we are using for example, for that one, Dynamo scripts, or we are creating our own scripts to connect it automatically, but anyway, you should check it by yourself, because the automatic scripts will give you 100% result, because the building is unique building, right? And it's not just a cube. You cannot mention all the problems. You just can cover only some of the problems. Okay, we did it. Actually, I don't like intersect the one of the other one. So let's change this one, and let's align it like this. Touch. Okay. Let's check this again. As you can see, it's again taking these things. Detach from the base. I don't wanna attach it, sorry. Don't attach it. Why I say it again, attach. Okay, done. Now everything alright. Hello I cannot rightly pronounce your name, sorry. Okay, guys, I think today is finished. So, do you want this project, or you want when it will finish? Tell me later about it. I will save it right now, and done. I think today it's done. And later on we will. Oh, okay, we will do the pad right now. Okay, so I know you want it right now. So I will go to the architecture components. I will find the model in place. I will say this will be structure. This will be actually structure. Actually, this is a pad. Where is the pad? We will use for that mass, marking, planning, roofing, special equipment, columns, connection, foundation. Okay, this will be foundation. Structure foundation. And we will make the sweep. 3D sweep. Done, 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 and done. I'll say OK, and after that we will create the profile. Let's edit profile, and let's use the viewer to the profile. And here is our profile, as you can see. Let's create our profile. Like, I just will do approximately like this. Let's say OK, and let's say OK. We get our pad, as you can see. Actually, we can do it smaller. Let's edit profile. Here's our profile, edit profile, and let's make it a bit smaller. Done. Now on our section, where is my section? We get this profile. Actually, we need some material to make it more correct. Let's use the same material. which material we are using here? We are using here ST external floor concrete. Let's use material, the same material for that one too. Let's go to the edit and place, select this one, material, ST external floor concrete. Okay, okay, and as you can see we get result. Now you can of course you lovely join it. Now let's join it, and as you can see now we join. We get some problem now with the join with this and this, but with not that one. Actually, how you can solve it? You can hide the line, for example. You can say I want to do invisible line, that one and that one too, and now you don't have the line between of that. And here too you can make, but now it's already, we are talking more about specific thing, so it's not about the modeling. In 3D you get the pad. Of course you can create body pad by walls, up to you. Okay guys, so tomorrow we will continue work with this project. We will tomorrow finish the level 3, and we will start to place windows, doors and other things. So I don't think so we will do it for everything tomorrow. I think so we will make only the another level tomorrow. But anyway, slowly by this week we will finish this building with all these drawings. So just follow me up, you will see how to continue this building and how to finish it. So thank you for today, thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you are not still if you're not giving the like for this video, please give the like. Time will be the same. I started this tutorial like 1.5 hours. We are already doing this tutorial 1.5 hours, so I think time will be the same like we started today and like we started yesterday. So thank you guys, and see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, I will give you like 2 minutes and I will finish this stream. By the way, I finished my new course about Dynamo. If you wanna join my new course, Dynamo, actually it's not free. I will be honest with you, it's not free. If you wanna join my course, you can go to the Udemy and you can find the course there. Or I can share with you by a link if you want to join my course. Just let me know. If you're interested to see my course, I will leave you the link about it. Just 1 minute more and I will finish this tutorial today, because I'm really tired guys, I'm sorry. Here is my link. If you want to join it, here is my link. Okay guys, thank you. So see you tomorrow at the same time in the same place. Don't forget the ring. Click on the bottom on the ring and you will get the message when I will start my stream.